my name is Aishi and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today for the very first time I have a makeup video for you guys. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you guys know that last week I received few products from Faces Canada, which was a collaboration with them. They sent me some products and they wanted me to make a video using their products, which was for a different purpose, not YouTube. So I used their products and you guys asked me about their lipstick, their different shades and about their products, the price ranges and all of that. So today I thought why not make an entire video about it so that it helps you guys out. So I'll be doing my full face of makeup. I've already done it using their products. So if you guys want to see how this turns out, then watch it till the end of the video. And also if you guys want to know how I got this collaboration, because some of you guys asked me like how I got this collaboration, I can make an entire separate video about it. All you have got to do is comment down below so that I know that you really want it. So yeah, enough of the talking, let's begin with the video. So right now on my face I don't have anything, not even a primer or a moisturizer, and I am going to start my makeup using their CC cream. So this is the product which I'll be using. So this comes in two shades. One is a natural and another one is a more fairer kind of a tone. So I have an Indian warm skin tone, so I have used the natural one. So this CC cream is really nice. You don't even need a primer or a moisturizer. This does all the work. So this is really nice and it's quite affordable. I think the price is $4.79. So for a CC cream it's really nice and you don't even have to use a primer or a moisturizer. And it also has SPF 20. So with summers coming, if you do not have sunscreen or you're not using sunscreen, then this is all-in-one product for you guys. So you can definitely invest in this one. So right now I'm going to apply it on my whole face. I'm watching anywhere except the camera. That is because I am looking into my mirror while applying my makeup, so don't get bothered. I'm going to use my hands because I am not a makeup person, so I don't own brushes, like not much of them. I'm using the CC cream on my face and you guys can see the difference it created. So it creates a very dewy matte finish kind of a look. So it's really nice. It stays on for a really long time, and as I said, we are going for a practical everyday kind of a look. So this is really lightweight. It does not feel heavy on the skin. It does not feel like you have applied something which is too heavy, so you can easily wear it all day long. It's really nice. I really loved it, and you can see that it blends in my skin tone perfectly. And there were some acne marks and some like inflammations on my skin which showed red marks, and those were hidden with this. So I think it's really nice for everyday purpose. So next I'm going to do my face using their face palette, which comes with the highlighter, the bronzer and the blush. So this is of only $8.99. Again, a very affordable thing, and especially it's of such a nice brand and it's really nice, and you are getting bronzer, highlighter and a contour thing. So that's really nice. So this is how the palette looks. It's a really nice finished solid packaging, and not only that, inside it comes with this, and then you open it and it also has a really nice covering there, and this is how the palette looks. Also it's really small, so you can easily carry it in your bag and like put on the makeup if you really need to go on somewhere quick. So it's really small, does not take much of a space, and it's really easy to carry. So the first thing that I'm gonna put on my face is the contouring thing. So this is how the shades look. These are really pretty, and you will see that just one stroke of it is enough to create an impact. So I am taking the contouring thing here and I'm going to do my cheeks first. So you guys can see that one stroke was enough, just like I said. So it really creates a huge difference. Like a minimum amount of it is enough to create that chiseled bone kind of a structure which we usually want while contouring. So I don't really like to do much with the face because it makes my face feel really heavy and itchy. So I think this is so lightweight and so easy to use. Like if you are in a hurry and you need to put something on your face real quick, then this is just the right palette that you need. So I'm going to do it on my other cheek as well. Now that I'm done with my cheeks, I'm also going to put a little bit of it on my nose area. contouring part. So now let's move on to the next part, that is applying blush. So I'll be taking this pink light shade here, and I use the same brush. As I said, I do not have so many collection of brushes. Like I have few, and also mostly I do my makeup with my hands because that gives me much control over my makeup. So anyways, moving on towards the blush. So can you guys see the rosy tint it created? Just as I said, one stroke is enough. Like all I did was just took one little swatch of it and put it on my cheeks, and it was enough to create a rosy color. Also, I think the color is really nice. As I said, it's very practical for an everyday kind of a look when we don't want to do anything heavy with our face, but we also want a little bit of rose tint on our cheeks so that it adds some color to our face. And this shade, this color is perfect for your skin. So next I'm going to take this and apply on my other cheek as well, which is very practical because we apply blush on both of our cheeks. So guys, I'm done with the blush, I'm done with the contouring, and the final thing that is left is using the highlighter. So this is the highlighter shade. Again, this is really nice. It's shimmery but not too much. Again, like we are going for a practical look. So for this I'll be using my finger, so please don't mind, you can use a brush if you want to. So this is the color of the highlighter, and I'm going to put a stroke of it on my cheekbone. So can you guys see the shimmer it creates? Like it looks really nice, really shimmery, and it's not doing too much, like adding a little bit of glow to our face but not too much. Like perfect for like everyday kind of a look. Like you can easily wear it to office and college, and it's really subtle but also elegant at the same time. So moving on towards the next cheek. I'm also going to apply it in the center of my nose. I am done with my face. The next thing that I'm gonna use is a mascara. So this mascara is an absolute love product for me. Like it's amazing. Like its price is $7.99, so maybe it's really like expensive for some of you guys out there just for a mascara, but it works wonders. I'm going to show you guys now. Like this mascara really elongates your lashes. You don't really need to use any other product. Now some of you guys, I know, like some of the girls out there, they use a combination of two mascaras to elongate their lashes, but this itself does the work. This is enough. So now I'm going to apply it only on my this eye first so that you guys can see the difference and you guys know that I am not really elaborating it too much first. So I just dipped it once, and now I'm going to apply it on my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes. So guys, I hope you can see the difference. All I did was dip it in the bottle once, and it was enough to create these long lashes. I didn't use anything else except this mascara, and I'm not really a person who uses eyeliner or kajal on an everyday basis because my eyes are already huge, so I don't really like to use anything else or too much of those products because those make my eyes look much more dramatic. But I'm really into mascaras because they give a much fuller eye look, and they also give so much more volume to your eyes. So you guys can see the difference. Like all I did was apply it in these eye, and it created such a difference. Like now I'm going to do it on my next eye so as to complete the entire eye look. I'm just taking one single stroke. So guys, you can see now I'm done with both of my eyelashes, and I did not use any kajal, any mascara, no false lashes, nothing. All I used was their mascara, and as I said, it was enough to create much fuller eyes. It gives so much more volume to your eyelashes. I'm in love with this product. Also, it's not totally water resistant, but it's water resistant up to certain extent. So only if you are washing your eyes and rubbing your eyes with water, then only it goes off or washes off. So I really love this product. Also, the packaging is so elegant. I love this color with the black, really amazing product. So finally, the last product that I'll be using is their lipstick, which is in the shade Juliet Rose 02. So this is of 899. Again, a very affordable thing, and it's of such a nice brand, so I think it's really affordable. And they have so many beautiful shades out there of brown, of red, and again of pinks and purples, and like there are such beautiful colors. So this comes in a really cute packaging. Like you guys can see, it comes in a really cute pouch which has the brand's name written on it, and it's really nice. So you can carry it like this. It's really cute, and it's in black. Anything in black is love. And not only that, the lipstick covering is so pretty. Just see this, guys. It's so pretty, it's so classic. And I've shown on my Instagram story that when you guys throw some light on it, it starts reflecting the light. So it's really pretty, it's really classy. I love the lipstick. So this is how you open it, and then you can see it's open, and here again the brand's name is written. We have the logo here, really pretty. So the texture of the lipstick, you guys can see, like again the pattern and the shade, it's so nice, and you get so much volume out of it, like so much of the lipstick you are getting. So it's really affordable, and you are getting so much quantity as well. So I love the shade, I love the texture, I love the pattern. It's really nice. Like the entire packaging is so pretty, so nice. So now I'm going to apply it on my lips for you guys. So guys, I'm done with the lipstick as well, and this is my whole entire face using their makeup. So the lipstick is really nice, it's really hydrating, moisturizing, does not make your lips feel chapped at all. So the pigmentation is really nice, as you guys can see on my lips. I'm also going to do a hand swatch for you guys so that you guys can see the pigmentation is so rich, so nice, and all of the products smell really nice. Like not only the lipstick but also the blush and the highlighter, it smells super nice. So this is my full face using their makeup product. So I hope you guys really like it. Just you can also use this as a blush if you want to. Like you guys can see, the pigmentation is really nice, and it really smells nice. So not only does it look nice, it also works wonders. So again, love this product. So guys, this was my full face of makeup using their products. I really hope that you guys found this helpful. It helped you guys to know about their products and the pigmentation and how it works. So if you found this helpful, help me out by liking this video, commenting down below if you want more makeup videos. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. It really helps my channel to grow. And you can also follow me on my Instagram to stay updated about my life, about my fashion videos, and when my next videos are gonna come. You can also drop some suggestions out there, and I really hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.